Before diving into programming, let's have a look why we study it. Just like interaction of two humans require a language, and if they both know different language, then direct communication is not possible. Here comes the role of translator, which converts language of person A to the language of person B and vice versa. Similarly, human language is very different from machine language. Human language is ABC 1 to 3, etc., whereas machine language is binary language, which consists of only zeros and ones. Every programming language has certain environment called development environment or development kit, which converts human readable and understandable code to machine code and then machine code back to human code. This environment is called runtime environment or development environment. In Python, this environment provides us editor, interpreter, and debugger. Editor is a software in which we write code. Interpreter is a tool that executes instructions written in a high-level language. Debugger is a tool which prevents our code from bug. Every language is written with the combination of grammar, its logic, and most important, the library or the API, that is Application Programming Interface. If you have already learned some language previously, then you must have used semicolon to terminate a sentence. Remember, in Python, semicolon is not used.